Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox password. It's important to update your password regularly to keep your account secure. So, if you need to change your password for any reason, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Roblox password. Remember to choose a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.